Hello, friends. Today we're diving into the present continuous tense with Hindi explanations. This tense is essential for both speaking and writing in English. Let's get started. The present continuous tense is used for actions happening right now or temporary actions. Its structure is subject plus is, am, are plus verb, ing plus object. For example, I am eating an apple means main ek sab kha raha hun. She is studying for exams translates to wo exams ki tayari kar rahi hai. Remember, am is used with I, is with singular subjects, and are with plural subjects. To form negatives, add not after the helping verb. For instance, I am not sleeping now becomes main ab hi nahi so raha hun. She is not cooking dinner is wo dinner nahi bana rahi hai. For questions, place the helping verb before the subject. Are you watching TV? Means kya tum TV dekh rahe ho. Avoid mistakes like I eating food. It should be I am eating food. Today, we explored the present continuous tense with examples, negatives, and questions. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.